Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by gathering essentials, your Apple ID credentials, and a trusted device with two-factor authentication enabled. Once you have backups of playlists or purchases, open Settings on iPhone or go to Appleid. Apple, COM on a desktop. Sign in with your Apple ID, then navigate to Data and Privacy. Make sure you understand deleting an account removes purchases and subscriptions. This is critical, so verify your backups again before you continue to the next step. Now you request deletion. On the Data and Privacy page, choose Manage Your Data and then Request to delete your account. Follow prompts to pick a reason. The site asks how you want Apple to contact you during the process. Provide a reachable email or phone and review the summary of what will be removed. Apple Music subscriptions stop, iCloud data and purchases may be lost. Once you confirm, Apple issues a unique access code. Save that securely for any possible recovery. Finish by saving the access code Apple gives you. This is the single way to stop deletion if you change your mind. You will receive a confirmation email and should expect the process to complete within Apple's stated timeframe. Make sure to cancel any third-party subscriptions separately. If something goes wrong, no confirmation, wrong account, or access code lost, contact Apple support immediately. Provide your access code and proof of ID so they can verify and help resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.